But let's focus for a moment on our election intelligence dashboard. The reason I want to really highlight the numbers here, earlier I did say that phase one is very, very crucial for the Mahagathbandhan. So I'll break that down for you. What we've done here with the election intelligence dashboard is we've actually broken it down phase-wise. So even if you look at the tally that I'm going to bring up now, it's going to be for phase one. Now remember that a lot has changed 2020 to 2025 as far as alliances go. These numbers are based on the 2025 alliance of what the Mahagathbandhan looks like now and the NDA. So you can see clearly as far as the numbers go, it's the Mahagathbandhan that had the edge in the phase one seats, 65 of those. So if I was to break that down further, as far as the RJD goes, they got 42 seats of the 121. In the NDA, it was in fact the BJP with 32. But you see overall, the RJD in phase one, in these 121 constituencies, was in fact the single largest party that gained the most. So those are the numbers as far as phase one goes. Now, this is why I said that this particular phase is crucial for the Mahagathbandhan. You look at also the party-wise vote share that in fact we had in the 2020 results. You had the maximum number again there. What I want to highlight here is this. The RJD at 24.2 and then you had the BJP at 17.5, the JDU at 17.4. So for the RJD, they'll have to really prove their mettle here, especially in some of the rural districts where you have the M plus Y factor that everyone's been speaking about in this particular election. Let's also focus here for a moment on turnout. Very, very important. Unfortunately, in Bihar, if you look at the 2020 numbers, the voter turnout was about 56%, just about 57%. In phase 1-2, if I were to break that down, the voter turnout in 2020 was at 56%. Right now, we've kept this at 0%. In the hours to come, that will be updated based on really what the turnout looks like. We'll hopefully see it improve. But looking at the track record in Bihar, it's never really gone above really the 50% mark. 56 is pretty much the max it's reached. We're hoping that that will change this time around. But also focusing on some of the VIP candidates here, let's run you through what to watch out for in phase one. You already heard from Rahul Gautam on Alinagar, where you have singer Maithili Thakur. She is in fact making her poll debut, so we'll just quickly take a look at that battle. She squares off against Binod Mishra of the RJD as well as the Biplav Kumar Chaudhary of JSP. But if I were to look at some other seats as well, like for example, you look at seats like Darbhanga, which are up for grabs in this particular election. We'll go back and show you in fact some of the other big faces that are coming up. Samrat Chaudhary in Tarapur, Deputy Chief Minister for the first time contesting from this particular seat. But the reason he's been fielded there by the BJP is because of the fact that his family, this is considered to be his family stronghold. So he's contesting from Tarapur from the first time, but is counting on his family legacy taking him forward in that particular seat. Let's also look at some of the other big seats to watch out for. You know, we've got also the fact that Raghopur, Tejaswi Yadav seat is in fact going to polls today. That's a big focus. And so while we get you those names, we will also take a look at some of the ground reports here. We've got Anupam Mishra, who's also live with us. He's joining us from Munger. Anupam, good morning. What's the update coming in from Munger? It's nice to see that people have gathered already in large numbers. Early morning, people coming out to cast their vote. I'm hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that the voter turnout of 56%, we see it going a bit above that.
Well, good morning, and let me show you the booth. This is the Urdu Vidyalaya in Tarapur constituency, which is a very high-profile seat because Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary is fighting from this seat. And we hope that people, as people are coming out in the morning, this trend will continue and the voter turnout will somehow increase. This time, this is the hope we can up. And right now, let me tell you, this is a very close fight in this area, this Tarapur constituency in Munger, because the other contestant from Mahagathbandhan is Arun Shah, who has lost the by-poll with a very narrow margin last time in 2021. And for the past few years, if we look out the percentage, the margin of win is very very narrow in these seats. Although JDU has retained the seat for the past few years, it has dominated the seat, but this time JDU has given it to BJP, and Samrat Chaudhary is fighting for this seat. And let me break down the caste equation here also. This particular Tarapur seat is dominated by Yadavs, which is around 63,000, then followed by upper caste Rajput and Brahmins, which is around 50,000, then followed by Kushwahas around 40,000. So this is the kind of caste equation in this seat. And let me talk to few voters. आप लोगों का मुद्दा इस बार क्या हो सकता है? क्या आप लोगों का
विकास जी,
किस तरह का?
विकास, शैक्षणिक विकास, सड़क का विकास, स्वास्थ्य का विकास, रोजगार, कल कारखाना।
आप लोगों का मुद्दा इस बार क्या है?
आज सब चीज होना चाहिए, विकास होना चाहिए बिहार के अंदर, और क्या।
विकास से संतुष्ट नहीं है आप लोग?
संतुष्ट क्या रहेंगे, हम लोग जाते हैं सब दिन बाहर कमाने के लिए, यहाँ क्या रखा है? कुछ भी नहीं रखा है।
हम और दूसरे वोटर्स से बात, हाँ, आपका इस बार का क्या मुद्दा है?
क्या मुद्दा रहेगा? हम लोग सब दिन 16-17 साल से दिल्ली पकड़े हुए हैं, यहाँ बिहार सरकार कुछ करता है?
Okay, so let me tell you, we have spoken with several voters, and the development is the main issue ahead with this with these voters, and they have come out in a large number in the morning, and we hope that this trend will continue till the polling ends.
A look at some of the reactions also, Anupam. Thanks for that ground report. Before I continue with our reporters, let's get you some of the reactions also that have come in from early this morning of political leaders in Bihar, urging voters to come out in large numbers and cast their votes. Those are images, by the way, of Giriraj Singh, Union Minister in Lakhisarai, casting his vote. We'll talk about the MP factor in just a bit, but take a look at some of those reactions.
आप सभी लोगों से अपील है कि आज मतदान करें, और आप सब लोगों से अपील है कि जहां भी हमारे महागठबंधन के प्रत्याशी लड़ रहे हैं, उनको भारी बहुमत से, भारी मतदान करके आप लोग विजय बनाने का काम करें और इस खटारा सरकार को बदलने का काम करें। नया बिहार हम लोगों को बनाने का काम करना है, विकसित बिहार बनाना है।
वर्षों से यहाँ पहला मत देने का कोशिश करता हूँ कि पहला मत बदले। चूँकि आज मुझे प्रधानमंत्री जी के मीटिंग में जाना है, इसलिए मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ कि 7 बजे कि मैं अपना वोट
लाके जल्दी जाए।
हाँ, ले आके जल्दी जाए। और आपके माध्यम से हम हर एक लोगों से अनुरोध करते हैं कि लोकतंत्र के महापर्व को में ही अपना मतदान जरूर करें, निश्चित रूप से करें। जिनको करना है वो निश्चित रूप से करना चाहिए। वर्षों से
Okay, so we're getting in all these images also of Netas seeking divide intervention, the staple, the standard that you always see during election season. But let's also get you those images. This is of Giriraj Singh casting his vote earlier. Remember that in Giriraj Singh's constituency, his Lok Sabha seat of Begusarai, there are about 7 seats that are up for grabs. So this is very much a test for him as well, because in those 7 seats, 4 went to the Mahagathbandhan, 3 were with the NDA. He'll want to ensure that in his Lok Sabha seat, all of it is dominated by the NDA. Listen into what Giriraj Singh had to say when he urged people to come out to cast their vote. Also a taunt there at Rahul Gandhi over his vote chori expose yesterday.
उस राहुल गांधी का चेहरा देखिए, जो कह रहा कि सेना भी कुछ लोगों के 10%। क्या कहना चाहते हैं? नरेंद्र मोदी ने देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री हुए जो सवर्ण और सबके लिए आरक्षण रखा, 10% आरक्षण रखा। ये सेना में भी विद्रोह कराना चाहते हैं, ये समाज में भी विद्रोह कराना चाहते हैं। इसलिए चेहरा नरेंद्र मोदी, नीतीश कुमार, इधर राहुल गांधी, तेजस्वी यादव।
And there you have a message from Giriraj Singh lashing out at Rahul Gandhi over his wood chori expose.